Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click the button and subscribe to our channel, please. On the menu today, we're going to make cabbage and bacon. Very, very simple. I've added a few other little bits of veg, as you can see. It is absolutely delicious. Let's get on with it. So let's take a look at what we have here. So white cabbage, cut. You can cut it how you like, actually. I mean, it's kind of randomly cut. Some pieces are bigger than others. Shred it nice and thin, or big pieces if you want. Bacon. Now the bacon that I'm using is a smoked bacon. It's got a little bit of the rind on it. You can take that off if you want. You can use a streaky bacon, something like that. I've got about 6 rashers of bacon there. 1 onion sliced, 1 tablespoon of garlic. And then here I've just got a small amount of bell peppers, green onions and carrots, kind of optional. Over here I've got thyme, 1 teaspoon, paprika, 1 teaspoon. I'm using a smoked paprika. If you want, you could use some sort of Creole or Cajun spice mix if you want. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We're going to add salt and pepper. It is delicious. So you're going to need a pan, wok or skillet. I've got a little bit of olive oil in there. We're first of all going to drop in our bacon, which I've cut into fairly small pieces. Now I'm going to cook the bacon for about 5 minutes on a high heat. It's up to you where you get your bacon to. Some people like it really soupy, super crispy. Some people like it just slightly underdone. That's up to you. I'll see you in 5 minutes. Keep it moving. So I'm quite happy here. I mean, we're going to be cooking it further, but for me that's good. We're now going to drop in that onion, sliced red onion, and I'm going to pop in those carrots, just like 1 carrot there. And we're going to go for another 3 or 4 minutes on this high heat, keeping it moving pretty much all the time. So we've still got a nice crunch on those onions. Let's get in that tablespoon of garlic, chopped garlic. I'm going to add some salt. Now be careful with salt, because depending on the bacon that you're using, and some black pepper, the bacon might be really salty. So yeah, just be careful. I'm now going to add that 1 teaspoon of thyme and the smoked paprika. Like I say, if you want, you could use a Creole or Cajun type spice mix. Now time for the cabbage. So we're going to stir fry this for about 5 minutes now. It will reduce down as it cooks. Keep it moving. We're still on a high heat. So as you can see, the cabbage has wilted and reduced down in size. I'm now going to go with those bell peppers, again about the same amount as the carrot, just to add a little bit of colour there. If you wanted a little bit of fresh chilli in here, I'm not going to do that today, but you can do. What we're going to do is add a little bit of water, not too much. Let me show you in the bottom there, there's hardly any in there. Stay on the high heat about another 4 minutes. This beauty is done. And that's it. Off goes the heat. I like to finish this off with some green onions, scallions, or spring onions, whatever you call them. That's delicious. Let me get that on a plate for you. Righty ho, and there you go. Very, very simple, absolutely delicious. I really, really love this one. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Leave us a thumbs up, that helps us out a great deal. And do leave a comment. We like to know that you're healthy, fine and safe. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.